Assalamu alaikum. Very good afternoon. Let's have a look at Asas Elite Penthouse. What's happening here? We are coming up on above the fifth floor. This is the pit for the lift, the staircase which goes right above the penthouse. And the best thing of this penthouse is no service staff is allowed inside the penthouse. The penthouse starts right at the beginning of the lobby. This would be the main entrance, and if I could show you this area is almost the width is around 20 feet, and the depth of this hall would be 30 feet. So 30 by 20 huge hall with that kind of a door, sliding door, and most probably there'll be windows above that. So it's going to be a T-shaped thing. Let's enter into this place, and let's start from the right side. The right side, once you enter, this would be a personalized drawing room. So this is going to be the drawing room. And the moment the guest enters, he can straight away come into this room. So there will be enough privacy for the rest of the house. Now, coming out of the drawing room, again we landed into this hall of 20 by 30 feet. This is going to be the kitchen. Most probably you're going to have a platform here and the platform there. So most probably it's going to be an open kitchen. And then comes the master bedroom. The first master bedroom, we entered into the drawing room. That's the drawing room, that one where you see the bricks lying there. And then this is the kitchen, open kitchen. And let's enter into this bedroom. This will be the changing area or the utility. You can build the shelves or the racks for your footwear, right from the bottom till the top. And a very squared washroom, attached washroom. And this is going to be the bedroom, the master bedroom. And one more thing, ladies and gentlemen, in between those pillars you can easily have a huge wardrobe. It's all red brick work, and this is the hall. And here you're going to have the same size of sliding door from top to bottom. There are a couple of benefits, just to name one or two. The one, you have a very beautiful visibility of outdoor, and the ventilation, of course the sunlight, the natural light. And then once you come into the balcony, you see the amount of greenery you have here. And there you go, that is the St. Anne's College right here. It's hardly 10 minutes walk. And this is the outdoor view. This is the personalized balcony. You can do a lot of things here. You can have a lot of plantation, some swing, some canopies can be fixed here. That's the bedroom which I have shown you just a while back. And this is going to be the hall. Look at the size of the hall. It's pretty much huge. Very, very big hall. And then you have, we are entering back to the hall. This is the balcony. Huge balcony. This should be somewhere around 12 to 15 feet wide, and 12 to 15 by probably around 45 feet. 15 by 40. That's the size of the open area in front of the penthouse. Now let's enter into this bedroom number 2. all red brick work. We have been doing it with the red brick. The entire construction of Asas Elite has been executed with the red brick. It's very well baked. In fact, you could see the black, very well baked bricks. You have a pillar in between the wall. We enter into this room. This is the washroom. Washroom door, we have fixed it parallelly opposite to the entrance of the bedroom. This would save a lot of space inside the bedroom, you know. And then this window opens up in the big balcony, that 45 by 15 which I told you. This is the provision for your wardrobe at this place. This is the bedroom. Now we come out of the bedroom. So we have covered 2 rooms. Both rooms are master bedrooms. Then we come out of the room to the hall. This is the common bath. Very well located, in fact, very, very beautifully located in between the house, because if any guest comes there, he comes straight to this bathroom if he wants to use the restroom. Now this is the third master bedroom with an attach. Again, a very square restroom, very difficult to find nowadays. So we come out of this. You're going to have a window. You can, I'm sure you can have a look at the natural light, the amount of natural light which gets into this apartment. It's a beautiful 2,400 square feet penthouse, and if you desire to own this, please give us a call, and in fact we would be happy to assist you. So basically it's 1, 2, 3 and 4 rooms with a huge hall of 20 feet by 30 feet. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, to have a look at our Asas Elite's penthouse. If you have any queries or any questions or any suggestions, you can always get in touch with us. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We have come down to the ground floor from the penthouse. This entire area is going to be the parking. It's a 360 degrees view. Entire area is going to be the parking. That's the watchman room. That is the lift, staircase, and below the staircase there would be the power backup setup. Let me take you through the elevation. This is the elevation. Simple, straight, elegant, at the same time spacious and contemporary. This location is for the transformer, the main entrance, and then the boundary wall. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And if you have any suggestions or any questions or any inquiries, please get in touch with us on WhatsApp. It's 0091 998989 5591. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day.